The world is full of mighty movers, from Africa's most famous drifters to turtles that make epic journeys to reproduce, seabirds that don't come to land for years, water birds that follow ephemeral rivers, and whales and whale sharks that roam the great ocean. Like the turtle, once it has left land for the first time, a young Sooty Tern may not go back for years, spending all its time in the ocean skies until it is time to breed. Soaring on outstretched wings, these elegant seabirds feed almost entirely on fish driven to the surface by the hunters below. Sooty Terns themselves rarely rest on the ocean surface. Their feathers are not water repellent and would get waterlogged, hampering their graceful flight. For this bird, life is in the sky. They are so at home in the air that these terns are known for taking naps of a couple of seconds while they fly. This strange quirk of ability allows them to stay in the air for months. After many weeks at sea, the breeding season beckons, and the terns answer the call, heading inland to the tropical islands of their nesting sites. Their massive colonies are home to thousands of nesting birds. In these dense, noisy grounds, courtship displays are performed as monogamous couples make their bonds. Both parents will incubate a single egg. Finding food for their young is a daily migration in itself, as adults forage up to 500 kilometers around the colony, returning to feed the ever-growing chick. Once the breeding season is over, Sooty Terns go back to their pelagic lifestyle and spend the next few months back at sea, wintering through the tropical oceans until the need to breed draws them back into land once more.